Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to add a new favorite. Logo, a globe with arrows around it pointing counterclockwise. Text, Beltone. Open the Beltone HearMax app. Download on the App Store. Get it on Google Play. Text, you can save your preferred sound settings as a favorite. There are two ways to add a favorite: the home screen of the HearMax app. Text, the first is by tapping Sound Enhancer from a program in the home screen. A finger points to the Sound Enhancer button below the volume bar. Text, make the adjustments you desire to save and tap Add a favorite. A finger slides the treble dot up a vertical line and slides the bass down. The finger points to the Add a Favorite button on the bottom right. Text, tap Favorite 1 to edit the text. When completed, tap Return. A finger points to the button in the center below the star labeled Favorite 1, then points to the Return button on the bottom right. Text, to geotag a favorite, tap Location and tap the button next to Add Location. Tap Save. A finger points to the location, second up from the bottom, and a map appears. The finger slides the toggle button to the right labeled Add Location. The finger points to the Save button at the top right. Text, tap X. A finger points to the X button on the top right. Text, it will be added to the program navigation menus, represented by a star icon. The star icon on the top right is circled. Text, the second way to add a favorite uses the program overview. After you make your preferred adjustments, pull down the handle below the top menu on the home screen to access the program overview. A finger drags down the horizontal handle in the center of the screen below the top menu. Text, tap Add a Favorite at the bottom of the screen. Follow the same steps you just viewed to rename and add a location. A finger points to the Save button on the bottom right. Logo, Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com. Copyright and trademarks for GN Hearing Care Corporation, Apple, and Google Play.